Hi everyone. In this video I will teach you that how to subtract two numbers in Python ideally. So it is the very simplest method. First you have to open Python ideally. This is the interactive mode. I will show you in the both the mode. So first A5 equal to 98. Then press the enter key. B4 equal to 67. Second number, both the numbers is taken. Now we have to subtract. S equal to A5 minus B4. Because subtraction symbol is minus symbol, so we are taking that one. Now if you will call print command print S, then also your output will generate. See, if you will call directly S, then also output will generate. Now you can see that here I have written A5 minus B4, that means first number minus second numbers. If you will do second number minus first number, that is also possible. So then write S3 equal to, you can take any variables, S3 equal to B4 minus A5. Then subtraction done. Now I will call to the print command to output minus 31. You can see this is the interactive mode. Same things we will do in the script mode also. So file menu, new file option, write down A6 equal to 345 and now I am taking 3 digit. Now B4 equal to 95. Okay, two numbers is taken. Now subtraction is required. Sub equal to A6 minus B4. Subtraction process is done. Now we will call to the print command. Print bracket open, write some quotations. Within the quotations you can write anything, but you will write in the valid comments so that it is good for the program. Subtraction of two numbers, then space equal to, close the quotation, no needed equal to also. Within the quotation you can write anything, put it the comma and then write sub, that means sub variable. One thing I didn't write here in the first line, question. I always in the program writing the question. So questions will not accepted by the Python ideally. So through the comment sections we will write subtraction of two numbers. Always first you write the question, then afterwards program. So program has completed. Now we will run it. Run module. Write down OK. Then one folders. First you created that folder. Whatever program you are doing, everything you will be save it there. Just like me, I have already created in the one folder Python program. So here now I will give the name sub dot py. Okay, sub dot py. Save it. Then see, answer is 250 because we have taken different numbers. Now you have seen that how to do it, subtraction of two numbers. I hope that this video is very helpful for you. Thank you very much for watching this video.